All right, so they want us to try it again, basically do the same problem we just did, just with different numbers. Now, this one is about Carol and Tom, and their home has a $100,000 selling price, and they need to make a 10% down payment. So what we're going to do in step one is to find that down payment amount by taking the selling price of the house, 100,000, multiplying it by the down payment percentage as a decimal, which is 0.10, and we get $10,000. Then we actually need to find the amount of the mortgage in step two. So we take the original selling price of 100,000 and we subtract the down payment amount. That's the amount that we're going to pay the bank. Or excuse me, that's the amount that we're going to pay the seller. And this amount, 90,000, is the amount the bank is going to give us for a loan. So we get $90,000 from the bank. Now, step three is to calculate all of the closing costs in the table. So if we scroll back down to the table, I erased my work from the last problem, but we still need to find the points, the documentation stamp, and the processing fee. It's still 2% for points, 0.3% for mortgage or documentation stamp, and 1.1% for processing fee. So 2% as a decimal is 0.02. Multiply that by the 90,000 because that's the amount of our mortgage for this example, and we get 1,800. Multiply the 0.003 by 90,000, and we get $270. And then we multiply the 0.011 by 90,000, and we get $990. So these are the three answers for step three. Okay, so if we go back up, I'll just say for step three that they are in the table. Okay, step four is where we find the sum of the closing costs, so I need to go back down. And we got to add up all these numbers, starting with 252, working our way all the way down to the 990 for the processing fee. And when we do that, you should find a total of $5,124. And then the last step, step five, is to actually calculate the amount of the mortgage total. So we're going to take our answer from step two. We're going to add our answer from step four. So we take the 90,000, and we add the 5,124 to get a total of $95,124. Okay, and that's it for closing costs.